Good morning, children. Welcome to you all in today's online lesson organized by Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Okay. Okay. Before start the lesson, I introduce myself. I am Avinash Gavanji Bhoe from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala Killa. Now, come to the today's topic. Okay, students. Can you read these following fractions? Yes, student. Can you read the following fractions?
Yes.
Okay, read.
2 upon 6, 5
Yes.
upon 2, 11 upon 7, 1 upon 3.
Okay, good. So, okay, good. Now, can you show on the picture this following fractions?
Yes.
Okay. In first one, we will draw circle.
6.
Okay. Out of 6, how many part we have to color?
2.
2. Okay. Okay. Now, in second one, how will we show this 5 upon 2? Can you tell me? 5 upon 2. So here, the numerator is 5 and the denominator is
It's 2.
2. So, shall we show it in a single diagram? See here, denominator is smaller than numerator. So, how would we draw it?
We draw 5 and color 2.
It is wrong then, na?
Yes.
Because here the total parts given are 2 and we have to color 5. So, this is wrong. Now, read the third one.
11 upon 7.
11 upon 7. So, here, see also, here also
Wrong.
numerator is
11.
and denominator is
7.
7. So denominator is smaller than numerator. And now see the last one, 1 upon 3.
1 upon 3. We will draw 3 and color 1.
Okay, good. We will draw 3 and colored 1. So this is 1 upon 3. Okay, now we can show 5 upon 2 and 11 upon 7 in single diagram. So see, these are improper fractions and 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 3 are proper fractions because see, now we will see it in details. See here, our today's topic is types of fraction. We already learned the types of fractions. Tell me the types of fractions. Like and unlike, then
Equality fraction.
yes. Okay, but today we learn the different types of fractions. So see, the first one is, read the headline.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. So see, what is the fraction given?
3 upon 8.
3 upon 8. So we will see that in proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than denominator. So this is called as proper fraction. See here the definition given. A proper fraction is one that has numerator that is less than a denominator. Okay. See the examples. Numerator must be smaller than denominator. Okay. So 1 upon 3. Then we can say that
5 upon 7.
5 upon 7. So these are the examples of proper fraction. Good.
6 upon 8.
6 upon 8 also. Now see here, the headline given is improper fraction. Now read the fraction.
8 upon 3.
8 upon 3. Okay. So 8 upon 3 here, the numerator is, what is the numerator?
8.
8. And the denominator is,
3.
so here numerator is greater than denominator or smaller than denominator?
Numerator is bigger than
Bigger.
3.
So, okay, good. Now see the definition of improper fraction. An improper fraction is one that has a numerator that is larger than the denominator. So, in improper fraction, numerator must be greater than denominator. See, like this one, 8 upon 3, then 7 upon 2, 11 upon 5. So, in all of these, the numerator is greater than denominator. So, these are improper fractions. Okay. See, now the third type is mixed fractions. Okay, so here given the one complete orange and one half. So they show here that 1 and
2.
1 upon 2. So 1 is whole number and other is proper fraction. So see here, 1 and 1 upon 2. So it is addition of 1 and 1 upon 2. See here. So here in mixed fraction, the one is whole number and other is proper fractions. So see, now we will see the definition. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and proper fraction. Okay, so like examples are 1 and 1 upon 2, then we can say 2 and 3 upon 5. These are the examples of mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, one is whole number and other is proper fraction. So the addition of whole number and proper fraction is called as mixed fraction. See here, the types are given. In proper fraction, numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. See here the first one. Here given 1 upon 3. So here 1 is smaller than 3 and 5 is smaller than 8. In proper fraction, the numerator part is larger than denominator. See here the examples. Read the examples of improper fraction. 7 upon 3.
4 upon 3.
So here the numerator is greater or smaller?
Greater.
Greater. Good. Now the mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, it is whole number and a proper fraction. So see here, it is consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. So see, 3 and 5 upon 7, 2 and 4 upon 9. So here, this is the addition of 3 plus 5 upon 7. So here 3 is whole number and 5 upon 7 is proper fraction. So this is mixed numbers or mixed fractions. Now see, improper fraction and mixed numbers. We already know the proper fractions. See here, this is mixed number. How to draw a mixed numbers? So here the fraction given is, read the fraction.
1.1 upon 4.
Where is the point? The point is not given.
1 and 1 upon 4.
Yes. 1 is whole number and 1 upon 4 is fraction. So here they draw the fraction in this diagram. See here, this is the whole part. Okay, this is 1 and this is 1 upon 4. So this is mixed numbers or mixed fractions. So it is shown like this, 1 and 1 upon 4. Okay, now we will say the next. Now see, this is improper fraction. Read the improper fraction.
5 upon 4.
5 upon 4. Here 5 is greater than 4 or numerator is greater than denominator. So see, this diagram and this diagram are equals. Yes. See here, this is mixed number and this is improper fraction. Both are equal.
Yes.
So see here, in improper fraction, we cannot draw it in single diagram. We have to draw 2 or more diagrams. So see, 5 upon 4. So we will show like this, 5 upon 4. 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 parts are colored and see here, this is 4 parts. So 5 upon 4. Now see here, read these fractions.
2 and 1 upon 2
Yes.
and 5 upon 2.
Okay, the first one is mixed number and second one is improper or proper fraction?
Improper.
Improper. Good. Now see, the diagrams are equal. Yes.
Yes.
See here, means the both improper fraction and mixed numbers are equal. So means we can write like this, 2 and 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2 by from these diagrams we say that 2 and 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2. Okay, see here, this is the point to note down. To express a mixed number as an improper fraction, first multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Okay, then write this sum over the denominator. So if we want to mix number as an improper fraction, then we have to multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator and the product of denominator and whole number in the numerator part. See here, the example is given. Read the first fraction or mixed number. This, read this one. 2 and 1 upon 2. So how we will show it in improper fraction? So we have to multiply. Okay, this part is denominator and this one is whole number. So we multiply whole number by denominator and add the numerator. So see here, 2 into 2 plus 1. So here we multiply this and after multiplying we add the numerator part. Okay, so 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. So the answer is 5 upon
2.
5 upon 2. So here we convert the mixed number into improper fractions. Okay, good. See here, 8. Read the improper fraction.
8 upon 3.
Yes. And second one?
And 2 and 2 upon 3.
8 upon 3 and 2 and 2 upon 3. Is it equal? the both fractions are equal? 8
Yes.
upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 2, 2 and 2 upon 3.
Yes.
Okay. By observing these diagrams, we can say that 8 upon 3 is equal to 2 and 2 upon 3. Okay. The first one is improper fraction and second one is mixed number. Okay. Now we will see this. To express an improper fraction as a mixed number, divide the denominator into numerator. So to get mixed number, we have to divide in improper fraction the numerator part by denominator. See here, 8 upon 3. So how we will get the mixed number? So we will divide 8 by 3. See here 8 is numerator and 3 is denominator. So we divide 8 by 3. So we will get 3 2s are 6. So we will write 2 here. Okay. And the remainder is 2. So 8 upon 3 is equal to 2 and 2 upon 3. So here we convert the improper fraction into mixed number.
Hmm.
Okay. See here. Express the mixed number as an improper fraction. See here. 3 and 1 upon 5 is given. So if we want to convert this mixed number into improper fraction, then we have to multiply whole number by denominator. So 3 into 5 and then add the numerator. So 3 into 5 plus 1. So 3 into 5 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So here the improper fraction is 16 upon 5. See, now express the mixed number as an improper fraction. Can you convert it into improper fraction? Yes,
Yes.
student?
Yes.
Okay, what do we have to do? Yes.
Whole number, divide whole number,
Divide or multiply?
multiply
Yes,
whole number and denominator.
good. Okay, we will write denominator as it is. Then what we have to do? We add the numerator.
Yes.
Okay, now 5 nines are
45.
45. 45 plus 8. Yes, 45 plus 8.
53.
53. So the required improper fraction is 53 upon
9.
9. It is very easy, okay, to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Good. Now we'll see the answer. See here, 53 upon 9 is correct answer. Very good. Now how to express the improper fraction as mixed number? The example is given 19 upon 3. So we would divide 19 by 3. So by dividing we get 6 is quotient and 1 is remainder. So here the mixed number of 19 upon 3 is 6 and 1 upon 3. Okay, see here.
Yes.
We will write see the quotient as whole number and remainder as numerator and the denominator as same. Okay, now here problem for you. Express the improper fraction as a mixed number. Okay, here did the fraction
23 upon 6.
Okay, so what we have to do?
Divide.
Divide. Which part?
23 to
Yes.
6.
23 divided by 6. Now, yes. Tell me the table of 6.
6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 is the 18, 6 4 the 24,
So
6 is the 18,
6,
3 is the
3 is 18. Okay, good. So 23 minus 18 is 5.
5.
Okay. Now tell me the mixed number.
Uh, 6 and 5 upon 3.
6 and 5 upon 3. No. We have to write the quotient. See here, this is quotient. So this is whole number. Okay. And the remainder is numerator and denominator as it is same. Okay. See here, 3 and 5 upon 6 is our mixed number. Okay. Good. See here, the answer is given.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now some example. Okay. Read the question.
Which type of fraction is 2 upon 3?
Okay, now the given fraction is 2 upon 3. So is it improper fraction, proper fraction, mixed fraction, or none of them?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Why?
Because the numerator is smaller than denominator.
Very good. Good. So the second one is right. Very good. Here given for fraction 2 upon 3, 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Denominator is greater than numerator. Hence it is proper fraction. Very good. Now, which type of fraction is 3 and 2 upon 7?
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Okay, very good, because it consists of the whole number and proper fraction. Very good. So here answer is given. See here,
Yes.
3 is integer and 2 upon 7 is proper fraction. Hence it is mixed fraction. Very good. Now from following fraction, which one is proper fraction? 3 upon 5, 7 upon 4, 2 and 1 upon 3 and 12 upon 7. Which one is proper fraction?
3 upon 5.
3 upon 5. Why?
Because the numerator is smaller than 5.
Very good. This is correct answer. See here, 3 upon 5 denominator is greater than numerator. Very good. The first one is correct answer. Now we have to convert 13 upon 5 to mixed fraction. What we have to do? 13 upon 5 is proper or improper fraction?
Improper.
Improper. So what we have to do?
Divide.
To get divide. Okay. We have to divide. So we divide 13 by 5. Okay. 5 to the
10.
10. Okay, now here division in done. So what is the mixed number or mixed fraction? Can you tell me?
2 is whole number,
Very good.
5 is denominator, and 3 is numerator.
3 is numerator. So which one is the correct option?
2 and 3 upon 5.
Okay, very good. The fourth one is correct answer. Very good. It is right. See here. The fourth one is correct answer. Very good. Now convert 3 and 4 upon 7 into improper fraction. So we have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. What do we have to do?
Multiply.
Multiply which part?
Which
We multiply the whole number by denominator
yeah.
and then add numerator.
Mm.
Okay. So 3 into 7 is 7 threes are
7 is a
21
21.
plus 4 upon 7. So 21 plus 4 is
25.
25. Okay, so which one is the correct option?
25 upon 7. Fourth option.
Fourth option. Very good. See, answer is given. 25 upon 7 is the correct answer. Now, this is question number 7. We have to do addition only. Okay, so what is the answer? See here, 2 upon 3 plus
5 upon 3. 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3.
5 upon 3. Okay. So denominator is same. 2 plus 5 is 7 upon 3. So in the option, 7 upon 3 is given.
No,
Okay, so 7 upon 3 is
incorrect.
incorrect. But this is improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what is the mixed fraction? 3. We have to convert this into mixed number. Okay.
Mm.
So here 7 divided by 3. So 3 twos are 6. Okay. So what is the mixed fraction? The whole number is 2. Denominator is 3 and the remainder is 1. So here the mixed fraction is 2 and 1 upon 3. So which one is the correct answer, option?
Option
Yes,
1.
the
Option
first
1.
one. Okay, very good. See here, the first one is correct answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, this is question number 9.
Yes, yes. Our time is over. So I will come to the evaluation part. Okay. Some problems for you. Okay.
Mm.
So question number 1, fraction 5 upon 7 is improper, proper or mixed or none of these. Which one is the correct? You have to tell me the answer.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Why?
Because numerator is smaller than denominator.
Very good. So the second one is correct. Very good. Now, convert 21 upon 5 to mixed fraction. Can you tell me the answer? Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction.
So we multiply.
We have to multiply or divide.
Divide.
Divide. Okay.
Divide.
21 divided by 5. Okay. Tell me the table of 5.
1 is 5. 5 to the 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20.
So
5
we
3
have
is 15.
5 4 is 20.
20.
Okay. 21 minus 20 is
1.
1. Good. Now, which one is the whole number?
Whole number is 4.
Whole number is 4. And the denominator is
5.
5. And the numerator is
1.
1. So which one is the correct answer?
Third option.
Third option. Very good. Okay, good. Now here, convert 5 and 3 upon 2 into improper fraction. This is question for you. What
Now
we have to do?
multiply.
Multiply. Okay. 5 and 3 upon 2. So we have to multiply which part?
Whole by 2.
Whole number by 2. Okay.
Denominator.
Add numerator. So 5 into 2 is
10.
10. 10 plus 3.
13.
2. So 13 upon 2 is correct answer.
Option 4.
Option 4. Very good. Okay, this is your homework.
1 second, sir.
Yes. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.